Learn English for daily conversation.
Do you want to learn English for daily conversation faster? Do you want to improve your listening, pronunciation, and speaking skills? Then welcome to our new English learning video. In this lesson, you'll practice with a 4-part English conversation exercise to boost your fluency step by step. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Are you ready to train your brain and learn English for daily conversation? Let's get started. Part 1, listening practice. In this part, you will improve your English listening skills by listening to real English conversations.
All the bells and whistles. Mark, are you still looking for a new apartment?
Yes, I am. It's not easy to find a good one.
In the meantime, are you living in your old apartment?
Yes, but it's small. I want to get rid of some old furniture.
One more thing. You should check this new website. It has all the bells and whistles for finding apartments.
Really? What does all the bells and whistles mean?
It means it has everything you need. Pictures, prices, maps.
Wow. That sounds worthwhile. I will try it.
Just a heads up, some apartments are very popular. You should act fast.
Thanks for the heads up. I hope I find a nice place soon.
Part 2, vocabulary. In this part, you will learn useful English words and phrases that are commonly used in daily conversations.
In the meantime, while waiting for something else. Example, in the meantime, I will cook lunch.
In the meantime, we'll just put up a big sign.
In the meantime, we live in obstinate hope.
And in the meantime, Dory will just forget us.
In the meantime, you may go now.
In the meantime, Elvis, you will be in charge of Arnold and Ellie.
In the meantime, everybody stays on salary.
Get rid of. To remove or throw away something you don't need. Example, I want to get rid of old clothes.
The same way we get rid of a baby. A boy.
Come on, get rid of the helicopter!
Get rid of him.
I just want to get rid of him.
Now, to get rid of the body.
Then get rid of that machine!
Get rid of all traces.
One more thing. To add extra information. Example, one more thing. Don't forget your keys.
There is one more thing, Your Honor.
There is one more thing.
I might need you to do one more thing for me.
I need one more thing.
There is one more thing we could try.
I gotta tell you one more thing.
I want you to do one more thing for me.
All the bells and whistles. Something with many features. Example, the new phone has all the bells and whistles.
Give me all the bells and whistles.
We got all the bells and whistles, and it's practical.
I'm plating all the bells and whistles.
I need all the bells and whistles, my man.
All the bells and whistles?
One with all the bells and whistles.
Worthwhile. Something useful or valuable. Example, it's worthwhile to study English every day.
It can be very worthwhile.
Of course it's worthwhile, sir.
Something worthwhile.
Do something worthwhile.
Make the whole thing worthwhile.
Those are the only things worthwhile.
Is it really worthwhile, dear?
A heads up. A warning or notice about something. Example, just a heads up, the store closes early today.
I'm gonna give her a heads up. It's just it would be nice for a heads up.
A heads-up display.
I'm sorry I didn't give you a heads up, okay?
Part 3, listen and answer practice. In this part, you will answer questions I ask you based on the conversation we just went through. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. Watch the video carefully until you understand everything.
What is Mark looking for?
He is looking for a new apartment.
Where is Mark living in the meantime?
He is living in his old apartment.
What does Mark want to get rid of?
He wants to get rid of some old furniture.
What does all the bells and whistles mean?
It means something that has many features.
Why does Anna give Mark a heads up?
Because some apartments are very popular, and he should act fast.
Part 4. Shadowing Practice. In this part, you will repeat after native speakers to practice pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Shadowing helps you sound more natural, speak fluently, and build confidence in English conversation.
All the bells and whistles. Mark, are you still looking for a new apartment? In the meantime, are you living in your old apartment? One more thing. You should check this new website. It has all the bells and whistles for finding apartments. It means it has everything you need. Pictures, prices, maps. Just a heads up, some apartments are very popular. You should act fast. All the bells and whistles.
Yes, I am. It's not easy to find a good one. Yes, but it's small. I want to get rid of some old furniture. Really? What does all the bells and whistles mean? Wow. That sounds worthwhile. I will try it. Thanks for the heads up. I hope I find a nice place soon.
Thank you for watching. If you want to learn English for daily conversation, I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more videos to improve your English speaking skills every day.